Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of this session, I just want to give you a small demonstration on how exactly we can deal with this wait for URL. So on the same spec file, I just created a new test, and here from the Swag Labs demo, whatever the login code is there, I just copied that piece of a code and I just placed my piece of a code here. Okay, so this test is gonna log into my application. So this is gonna log into my application. And here, the next thing that we need to consider here is await page dot wait for URL. After login, whatever the URL you wanna wait for, just give me that URL so that I can wait it. So here, this is the URL that we can see on the logins after the login, which is the home screen. So I am asking my program to wait for this particular URL and then perform the further operations, probably a click on the cart or any other operations. So let me try to run this particular program and check it out. The script is getting executed and the validation is successful. So consider that I have a given some incorrect URL. Okay, I have a given some incorrect URL. And when I try to run this particular program this time, it's trying to wait for that particular URL. And by default, the wait, whichever the command for the click or any other chunks, whatever the timeout that we have for that particular test, ideally it's at 30 seconds. Even for this wait for URL also, it's gonna wait for 30 seconds and later it will get failed. Okay, so let us wait for few seconds and see the outcome for this, whether it is getting passed or a fail. Ideally, if you observe earlier, as the URL got a matched, it executed in a fraction of seconds. Whereas right now, as the URL isn't matched, it waited for maximum 30 seconds for that particular element, and then for that URL, and then it returned as a failure. Okay, so this is the way how exactly we can add a wait for URL also. Okay, perfectly all right. So this is a small example, and in the next session we will see a brief overview on a timeouts. Okay, thank you very much. See you again in the next lecture. Bye bye.